roasting brings out the very best in root vegetables, in really all vegetables. In the way that like somebody that you love brings out the best in you. You know that aunt you have that just makes you feel like $1,000,000? She doesn't care that you don't have a job. She doesn't care that you gained weight. She thinks you're the best. And so you feel like the best. That's what roasting does for vegetables. Maybe the vegetable is a little bit old. Maybe it's not that exciting normally. But roasting makes them sexy and crispy and intense. So in a second, I'm going to list the rules of roasting vegetables perfectly every time. But first, I'm going to give you a little example that I hope you can understand. So you're at the beach and you're nice and perfectly slathered with your oil or lotion or whatever you use. And you're laying there and there's like nobody at the beach and it's a nice 85 degrees out. And you get a beautiful tan, nice and crispy and gorgeous. Maybe not crispy, but nice and brown. Anyhow, picture this now. So you're at the beach and you're all oiled up and there's 500 people there, some of them on top of you, and it's about 65 degrees out, partly cloudy. That doesn't work. Same goes for roasting vegetables. You gotta oil them up, give them some space, and turn that heat way up high, way up high. I know that I always say this, but if you could smell my house right now, well then you'd be gifted and on the news. No, seriously, if you guys could smell this, here's the situation. I threw some red peppers, some bell peppers into my variety today, my mix, if you will, and I like them. They really set out a crazy aroma. When you roast vegetables at really high heat, it just brings out everything. It's kind of like when all of a sudden you're really hot and sweaty and you're not wearing deodorant. Good thing about vegetables is that when they get really hot, they emit this awesome aroma, unlike people. And the strangest thing, the strangest phenomenon for me is the tiny little dried red chili that I put in there. I put one dried red chili. I cut it into 3 pieces and I just placed it in there. That thing is crazy. It's like a little bomb that goes off when the high heat hits it. So these vegetables not only smell amazing, but taste amazing and have a tiny bit of spiciness. Sneaky heat, if you will.
Do your vegetables look like this?
So even though the rule is cut everything almost exactly the same size, your onions are going to go the second they get hot. So some of your onion pieces are going to get charry like this. And that is amazing. I have to try a carrot for you guys. Oh, carrots. Carrots have so many sugars in them that they just get extra special.
Don't stop.